Beta, we had to see finding particular solution when values are given. So 11th onwards, 11th question, this expression, this differential equation is given to you and they're asking you to find particular solution which is satisfying the condition that they have told you y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. These values are given to evaluate your constant of integration, like we'll see here. So I've changed the form of the equation. I've taken this to the other side of the equation. So you get it as dy by dx is this upon this. And to integrate, we'll put x with x, y with y, separation. So there was no other y. So 1 dy has to be integrated and this whole expression with respect to x. Fine. अब ये जो expression है, see, I've factorized this. Alright. You taking x square common, x plus 1. x plus 1 एक factor बन रहा है, x square plus 1 दूसरा factor बन रहा है. Okay, so factorizing this, we've got this form. Now, so if you get this kind of expression, you need to, we've done finding integral by partial fractions. So we are finding the partial fractions for this to proceed further. So now for finding partial fraction, for this denominator, we'll keep the numerator as a, and for quadratic, we'll keep it as bx plus c. Cross multiplying, all that is revision for us. So 2x square plus x will be equal to a into this factor and bx plus c into this factor, right? Multiplying inside, I've gathered a, b, c there together so that I can compare and proceed further to evaluate one of the variable, because here if you put x as minus 1, this whole factor becomes 0. So putting x as minus 1, putting the values in this equation, you evaluate your a as 1 by 2. Okay, solving of equation is up to you children, you can do it anyhow. Okay, comparing the coefficients of x square and x, if you do here, यहाँ से आ रहा है a plus b is equal to 2. another equation, x का करोगे तो इसमें कोई x नहीं था, b and plus c, तो b plus c and यहाँ x का was 1. So those are the two equations you get. Solve them. a का value हमने already evaluate कर लिया, half, put that here. You will evaluate your b as 3 by 2. Put your value of b here, you'll evaluate your c as minus 1 by 2. Okay, hence this is what our question was. So if we go back to this by 1, integration of y, integration of 1 dy would become y, and इसको हमने split कर लिया है as a came out to be half of 1 upon x plus 1, and then b came out to be 3 by 2. Or if I separate it as 3 by 2 here, 3 by 2, it will become x upon x square plus 1. अभी ये x square है, इसका derivative 2x आएगा, तो इसलिए मैंने इसको into 2 upon 2 करके 3 by 2 को 3 by 4 and 2x बना लिया है. Okay, so that keeping in mind कि denominator put as t, this whole will be replaced by dt, तो ये सीधे log form आएगी. Alright, वो आप पर है, आप उसको स्टेप वाइज करना चाहो या यहाँ पे शॉर्टकट कर लो. देन नेक्स्ट वी वर हैविंग c देयर, सो c we had evaluated as minus half, so 1 upon x square plus 1. Okay, plus the constant of integration has to come there, of course. So y is equal to half, this is log form, this is also log form. now ये derivation substitution दिखाया नहीं है, cut it short. Okay, we have the function and its derivative, so log of this, and this is tan inverse directly integral. Okay, now to evaluate this, अभी ये अगर आपका general solution होता है, your work is done, but it is particular solution, so you will evaluate this constant of integration or any other arbitrary constant given there, for which they have said put the value y as 1 and x was 0, so this becomes log 1, this also 0 becomes log 1, and this is tan inverse 0, so tan inverse 0 is also 0, log 1 is also 0, all these terms are becoming 0. Not necessary, at times यहाँ से कुछ values आ सकती हैं, but in this case all these are becoming 0, so you are only left with c on the right hand side was 1, so you evaluate your constant of integration as 1. Now put this value in the result so obtained. This was your result, बाकी सब as it is copy हो जाना है. I have just merged this. Okay, ये सब log थे, तो by property of log I have taken 1 by 4 common, so यहाँ बन जाएगा 2 upon 4. that 2 will go here, by property of log it will become x plus 1 square. Okay, तो अगर आपको property of logs आती हैं, this is not a difficult thing. So this 1 by 2 has been changed to 1 by 4, or rather 2 by 4, and that 2 has gone to the power here, so this becomes 1 by 4 log of x plus 1 का square. And ये 1 by 4 तो हमने common ले लिया था, ये third का यहाँ पे cube हो जाएगा. Okay, तो ये log merge हो गया, log of a plus b is log of ab, and वो पास भी आ गई n log m. Okay, and this was half inverse of tan inverse of x, and c we had evaluated as 1. Hence that becomes your answer. Now 12th you will try yourself children. Simple enough. Factor ये भी इधर आएगा like in denominator dy by dx is 1 upon x. इसको आप लिखोगे x plus 1 x minus 1. Factorize this and then again you'll have to find split it to its partial fractions. Okay, so you know how to do partial fractions, and then all log form comes, and then in the end whatever you get the relation, in that you'll put your y as 0. Wherever there's x, put it as 2. That will help you find your constant of integration c. Uski value rakho and get your final solution. Just check it out, it won't be difficult. Okay, third one is cos dy by dx is equal to a. Okay, so isse pehle hum dy by dx release karenge obviously. Okay, so we can change the form. We can write this as dy by dx is cos inverse of a. That's a constant now. Okay, x and y variables hai hamare. Again, so this will become 1 dy, and with cos inverse x scalar being out, again integration of only 1 with respect to x. So integration of this is y, and integration of 1 from here is x, and of course constant of integration. Now the values given to you were y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. So put that y is 1, x is 0. So you end up getting c again as 1. Put that value of c now. ये जो हमारा ये general solution आया था, this was my general solution. I've evaluated my c. I will put that c as 1. अभी इसको थोड़ा simplify कर ले रहे हैं. So taking 1 the other side, y minus 1, and then this x will come in the denominator, so that then this cos inverse will go that side to release your scalar arbitrary constant out here as cos y minus 1 upon x is your solution. I think at the back it's given as y minus 2. I don't know how that happens. Only that is possible when they give this y as 2. Must be a misprint. You all can check that out. Okay.